Hey everyone, if you want to make your Wix blog post look even better by adding a beautiful banner at the top, you are in the right place. Today I am going to walk you through step by step how you can add custom banner to your Wix blog post. Even if you are a complete beginner, I will guide you step by step. First thing first, make sure you are in the Wix standard. So this is my website and I am already in the Wix standard editor. If you aren't, then go back in the dashboard. So give me a few seconds. After login, something will appear in front of you. What you have to do to come on the Wix editor, just simply select your site. In my case, this is my site, and click on the design. So it will take you to this Wix editor, and that's it. Now first thing and the second thing is you have to make sure that your website has a blog post app installed in your website. Without it, you will not be able to customize the blog post or access the blog post. But if you haven't downloaded uh, that app, what you have to do is just simply click on the left side uh, at the add apps, and it will redirect to Wix marketplace and search for blog. Search for Wix blog. Now, in the first place, what you have to do is search it, and it will take you to this interface where there are lots of apps. So I have installed already. I think just simply click on the Wix blog. You have to see the preview. As you can see here, you will get to see this preview. Simply click on the add to site, and it will ask you to your permission, and it will start installing. Now give a few seconds to add into Wix editor. Now this is our basic blog post home page. Now if you click on the like if you click on post, it will redirect to your post. Go into pages and go into a menu, blog pages, and go into post. It will take you to the post. So yeah, it will redirect to the blog post homepage. What you have to do in terms of that, just simply come on this form page and menu. From here you can access the blog page, and the blog page, from blog you have to choose the post, so it will take you to this. Now sometimes you redirected into the home page of our website. In that case, what you have to go into left side, you can see there is a short menu. Just simply click over there. Now scroll down a little bit. In the blog pages, you can see there is a blog and post. Now I want to add into blog post, so I will click on the post. Now we are going to work on the post because changes made here will appear on all individual blog posts, so make sure it is good. Now let's remove header and footer. Right now I don't think so post has header and footer. Let's check it on. What you have to do is just simply to remove a header, just simply select the page and then go to pages and menus. In the pages and menus, you have to select the blog pages. In the blog pages, you have to select post. After selecting, you have to click on the three dots, and then settings, and the setting page will pop up. After popping up, what you have to do is just simply click on the second number, which is layout. From standard to no header and no footer, click on that. It will remove header and footer from this post. Just simply go back and click on the cross icon. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply add a section. Oh, right now I don't think it looks good in the background. I will click it and I will stretch this blog post and click on the stretch to full. Now let's add the background and the header. To doing that, you have to add a new section after removing the header and footer. If you click on the top, you can get the add section. For example, maybe there is an issue. Let's try to do with this. Click on the save. Let's okay. Let me zoom out. Maybe I can get okay. There you go. We got our section. Click on add section. So we have successfully added our section. Now this is my background image into our section. If you want to remove, you simply click on this section. Let's add element. In the element, what you have to do is just go into box or gallery. Okay, let's go into box and add this into your section. Now scale it down, scale it till it fit. So as you can see here, I can okay. So just for this tutorial, I have added this blank page. Now if what you can do is you can add images over and the text and whatever you want you can add over here. For example, if I remove this, just click on the add image, add elements, click on the image, and from here you can upload image from your drive. You can import image from Instagram, Google Photos or Facebook and so forth. Now I will choose this image just for to tell you example. Now this is how you can add so this looks I think good. Now if you don't want images, what you can do, if you want to add a strip to hold the banner, what you can do is just simply click on the add and go into strip, and from here you can choose classic, service, contact, welcome and a theme as well if you want. Now I will choose the classic one because if I want to add more text or anything I can add. I will choose the video. As you can see here, we have successfully added our strip background into our section. Now let's rejoin it. So yeah, you can drag into your empty section and it's cool. It looks good. Now let's customize the strip background. You can now customize the strip background to match your style. Click on the strip and change. Click on the change background. From here you can add color into it. For example, this one, if you want to make more dull, you can customize it. Now if you want to change the image, you can change as well from here. Just simply click on the change image and it will open the Wix editor, Wix image library. From there you can change this image. Now click on the strip again. Let's click on the change background. You can add your videos as well. Now to add text to your banner, what you can do is just go into elements. In the left side you will get this add elements. From there you can choose the text in the first. Now I will choose add headline number 1. Now just click, this is just for tutorial, and you can resize it based on your, you can use AI tool as well. Let's make change to authentication. Let's see how it goes. Use the text. Okay, we got our text. Get ready for an exciting tutorial experience. So AI is little good at selecting the text and the description and the title. So yeah, you can generate text with AI as well, and if you want to change the font of this text, you can just select the text and from here you can change the font, you can change the boldness of this text, you can change the font size as well. If you want to give effect to this text, you can add that too. If you want to give a character and line spacing to the text, you can just simply come over here and you can click on the automate. Now if you want to give SEO and accessibility, you can give that too. And yeah, and that looks pretty good, I think. And let's yeah, this is, you can add buttons, image, icons. Just use the add elements menu over here, and you can access all of those things, and you can add into your uh, image or in the header. So yeah, you, and that's it. You know how a beautiful custom banner at the top of all your blog posts on your Wix website. Take your time to design it the way you want. Change color, fonts, backgrounds, make it match your website style, and you can use you can see the inspirational banner as well. Now that's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.